If your vehicle is not equipped with a push-button ignition switch, see your owner's manual for ignition switch operation. To start the engine, you must have your intelligent key with you. Press the brake pedal and then push the ignition switch. To stop the engine, move the shift selector to the park position and push the ignition switch. Pushing the ignition switch once, without applying the foot brake, will place the vehicle in ACC mode. When the ignition switch is pushed a second time, it will change to on, and a third time returns the ignition switch to off. If the ignition is left in the ACC or on position, various systems in the vehicle can discharge the battery, and your vehicle may not start. Allow the engine to idle for at least 30 seconds after starting. Do not race the engine while warming it up. Drive at a moderate speed for a short distance, especially in cold weather. During cold weather, allow the engine to run for a minimum of 2 to 3 minutes before shutting it off. Starting and stopping the engine over a short period of time may make the vehicle more difficult to start. If the driver's door is open while the ignition switch is in the ACC or on position, a chime will sound. Also, a chime will sound if the ignition is in the off or lock position with the intelligent key left in your vehicle. Please make sure the ignition switch is placed in the lock position and take the intelligent key with you when leaving the vehicle. If the intelligent key battery is discharged and you need to start the engine, first make sure the shift lever is in park. Touch the ignition switch with the intelligent key and a chime will sound. Within 10 seconds of hearing the chime, depress the brake pedal, then push the ignition switch. The engine will start. If you do not depress the brake pedal while pushing the ignition switch, the ignition position will change to ACC. Please see your owner's manual for important safety information, system limitations, and additional operating information.